This is a photo frame that I altered by removing the glass and adding some wooden cubes right here between the background and the frame for more space. The back is sealed with some book tape and it gives me a nice solid substrate to work on. As you can see here, I've already pulled out some bits and pieces that may be useful in this project. There are some bangles which I definitely want to use. I have some watch parts, I have some handyman things, I have some broken jewelry, and so on. First, I start creating a very textured background, and then I will also work on some more dimensional focal points. Now, I believe that my process will be very easy for you to follow. Like always, I will put anything you may need to know in the captions. Now, overall, you will find all the steps I will be taking to complete this project right here in this video. Now, when I added my footage, I do leave out the parts that are very repetitious or very boring, as creating these assemblages takes time. It goes over several days. I have lots and lots of footage to go through, and I think it's more pleasurable for you and easier for me to just show you the main steps. So please enjoy some music, and I will be back chatting with you towards the end of the video. here I am connecting all the pieces together, and then my project is done. I'm quite pleased with the way it came out. I love the frame with those metal corners. They were just too good to be painted over, and I think they fit really well. So let me give you another good look at this piece, give you some close-ups, and there will also be some photos at the end of this video. Now, if you are familiar with my work, then you know that for the most part, I prefer working with black spray paint and gesso in my assemblages because it covers everything so well and so quickly, no matter what materials I use, be it metal or wood or plastic in all kinds of colors. It of course also gives a great base for these metal waxes, and the whole process is pretty simple. Now the white gives a nice contrast, which I achieved here, and I like the way it came out, but it's a lot more problematic to work with. First of all, it took several coats before the colors were somewhat covered, and then it took another base coat before I was able to work with my waxes. So it's definitely more time consuming. So here on the back you can see that I still have to add a hanger, but otherwise it's done, and I like the way it came out. I like the contrast, and I hope you like it too. That's it for me today. Take care, see you soon again, and bye bye for now.